Today's video is the unboxing of the August Discovered Beauty Box. Let's open it up. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing great today. Today's video, like I said, is the August, if I can get it out of here, the August unboxing of the Discovered Beauty Box. So the cost of this has gone up recently for new subscribers. This is £30 a month, I believe. It used to be £25. So for people like me and older subscribers, you will still be paying £25 per month. But yeah, new subscribers from this point forward will be £30 per month. Still well worth it. The products and brands you get in here are amazing. Go back and look at my unboxings of all of the Discovered Beauty boxes. They're amazing. I haven't been disappointed with one since I've subscribed to this box. So to get this month's box, you won't be able to, unfortunately. You have to order before the 10th of every month. I don't get PR from this company, so I just get a box that I pay for. I get it with everybody else, and by that time it's too late. But if you want to subscribe now, you will get next month's box. I'm sure you won't be disappointed because I never am. But I will leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. It'll get you a couple of quid off your box, so check it on out. But yeah, this is inside the box. We have a little thank you card and another one. Here is the edit card. So in here it has all the information on the products in here, which is absolutely fab. Wow, it says this box has a value of £312.99. What? Jesus. It just says this edit is called Summer Beauty. It's beauty for the summer, DBB fam. In this month's curated edit, you will find some fabulous beauty items, perfect for the summer season. But yeah, always nice, neat and tidy. Let's have a nice little sneak peek. There we go. There is the sneak peek. But let's get digging through here to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. First item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand nottnuit. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I'm probably murdering it, but you know. And this is a Vow Barrier Repair Overnight Mask. It has an RRP of £45. It just says, wake up refreshed and renewed with this nottnuit and sensitive overnight face mask. Formulated with bilberry seed oil, jojoba and ceramides to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, increase hydration and tighten and smooth the skin. Beauty tip: can be used as a hand moisturizer to increase suppleness. It is vegan. Yeah, cool. I love overnight moisturizers. They are extra nourishing. And yeah, love it. So this is what it looks like. It's so little and cute. £45. I'm sure with a price tag like that and the size of it, with it being a face moisturiser, a little must go a long way. It must do. I'm dying up this. I'm not going to break that seal. I'm not going to do it. No, I'm not. I'm going to be good. But I can't wait to use that. I've never heard of that brand before. I love it when I get brands that I've never heard of, that I can try to see if I like them or not. Yeah, a bit bougie. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Nett Exfoliator, and this is Nett. This has an RRP of £25. Wow. And it just says, take all over the body exfoliation to the next level and mess free too. Simply apply a body wash to the net and massage into your skin. The net cloth provides a gentle exfoliation and is long enough to get to hard to reach places. What's more is that the net can be washed in the washing machine and used for up to 2 years. Wow, oh my goodness. So you can get different colours. You can get blue, grey or green. I actually thought this was white, but it must be grey because there's not a white option on there. But yeah, cool. Yeah, this I am going to be getting out and having a play with because I'm going to use this straight away in my next shower. Ooh, so yeah, that feels nice. It doesn't feel too abrasive, but I can imagine once I've yeah, got my body wash on there in the water. That is going to be really, really nice. So we have the tag on here with the brand name and so on. And that is quite long. That is quite long. Wow. So that's it, folded in half. I can't wait to try that out. That is so cool. Third item we've got in the box is this. Technically it's 2 items, so cool. It's by the brand Bella Paris, and we have an eyeshadow little mini palette and we have a lip liner. So let's have a look. The lip liner has an RRP of £15 and the eyeshadow is called It's Only Neutral, has an RRP of £28.99. It just says create summery eye looks with this stunning eyeshadow palette. Inside the palette comes 6 illuminating matte and shimmer shades. That was a tongue twister. That are highly pigmented, long lasting and blendable, and then prep your lips with a creamy lip liner to ensure the lipstick stays locked in and smudge free. Alternatively, it can be used on its own and applied as an all over lip colour. They are cruelty free. Okay, cool. What to look at first? Oh, I've just hit my camera. You shaking? So let's have a look at that. Ooh, so this is the eyeshadow. Very nice, very warm palette, but it looks very, very nice indeed. I'm only gonna, I'll swatch 4. I was gonna say I was only gonna do 3, but let's just do 4. I'll do all 3 shimmers and then let's just do 1 matte. Oh, nice. That bright one is going to be great for in a corner. Very, very nice, and yes, very, very pigmented. That is so cute. And just looking at the lip liner, there it is there. Oh, that is lovely. Really, really pretty. It does feel soft. I think it needs a bit of warming up first, then it feels nice and soft and creamy. But yeah, that is very nice. Yeah, that I'm trying to put the lid on and it's the wrong way. I am getting quite a few bits from the brand Bella Paris at the minute, the makeup bits, and I've loved everything so far. So really happy to get these so I can pop these in my makeup bag and test them on out. So the 4th, technically the 5th, but we'll call it the 4th item in the box is this. This is the big bad boy in the box. So this is by the brand Skin Chemist, and it is a cleanser sonic. Guys, this has a value of £199. What in the actual hell? Basically £200 product in the box. That's got major wow factor to it straight away. So it just says get a deep facial cleanse from the Supersonic silicone facial brush, which is perfect for everyday use. Wash away your daily debris, makeup residue and oil. It's 12 speeds you will sure find the best setting for you. It's fully waterproof, ultrasonic bristles and suitable to use on all skin types. A delightful addition to your skincare routine. Receive either the blue or the yellow, and as you can see I've got the blue one. 200 quid, 199 quid guys, oh my god. I mean, considering this whole box is worth £312.99, even without this, the box is worth £112.99, which is impressive in itself. But wow, love this brand. I've tried different bits of skincare from this brand. I've never had any tools from this brand before, so this is well cool. So we open it up, we've had the actual device, we've got the charger and the little instruction manual there. So let's just have a look at the device. So here it is. It's a very strange shape. It appears to be a very strange shape in any way. So when using it, yeah, I'd probably hold it like that because it's like the shape of the hand. Ooh, or like that. That's nice. So we've got these bristles here. And then we also have this as well. They're like hard bumps on the back. So yeah, can be used on the skin also. And then we have the control buttons here. Okay, so it comes pre-charged. I don't know how pre-charged, if it's fully charged or not, but okay, that's turning it down. Let's turn it all the way up. Oh my god. That's seriously cool. I like that. I really, really like that. That is awesome. I can't get over the price of that. I've received face tools in other beauty boxes before, but I've never received a face tool in a box before that has this value. 199 spondoolies. Absolutely fabulous. I think with this face tool, because it's fully I hope I've turned that off properly, I think because it's fully waterproof, I'm going to stick that in my shower and I'll use that on my face when I'm in the shower. Wow. So this is the Summer Beauty Edit, the August Discovered Beauty Box with the value of £312.99. What do you think? Personally, wow. Wow. So not only have we got a product in here that has a value of 200 quid. Looks like an awesome facial tool. One of the products in here is actually two. It's classed as one product in the little edit card, but it's two products. Yeah, we have a nice overnight cream for the face. And we have something that I've never quite received before. Received exfoliating tools before, but nothing quite like that. So it's really nice to get something different in your box. This box is so good. It's very wow indeed. What do you think? Comment down below. Again, if you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, you've missed out on this month's box. The time you sign up for now, you will get next month's box. And yeah, it'll be £30 for new subscribers. Click the link down below, it'll get you a couple of quid off your box, which is always nice to save a little bit of something. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.